Little deal. You want some attention, little miss? I think she also loves the Pantene shampoo. Oh, hi Daisy. Everybody says hello to Daisy. You want to smell the Pantene? Hold on. Let me know what you think of that. Oh, it's strong. She doesn't like the Pantene. Is that too strong for you? Okay, we'll just close it. Do you want to smell the cap? Oh, the Pantene's scary. Do you want to smell the cap? No? Oh, she likes the cap. Okay. Hello friends, running kimono here. So I went to Walgreens and did another deal and it turned out perfectly. I need to go buy a lotto ticket because everything seems to be going really well for me over there. And then I went to Rite Aid and did a quick deal with some Pantene, and I'm gonna share all the details of that. It worked really well. I have to go back today and get a couple more. I just kind of ran out of time this afternoon. And then I made a video specifically on this morning. It's these Rubbermaid tag-alongs. In my market, or market close to me, they are $4. They had 3 or 4 different sections in the store with massive pallets of them, so I didn't clear the store. People were getting so hyper on TikTok about this, and it's like if you can't find it, they just get really angry over there. Great little site. Anyhow, I'm just going to show you the sizing of it because that's what they look like. Yeah, and what a find. And what I thought, why I got so many, it's not because I like freeze food professionally. I thought I would use this as a base and then put a couple items on top and then put it in a bag for a Christmas gift. My husband has a really large family of siblings, and I thought for each sibling, this would be really nice, like extra gift, because I usually give stuff from my stockpile, but I thought this would be really nice, like kind of a kind sort of gesture. And also for food prep, how wonderful are they? So I'm gonna be definitely using these myself. But yeah, that's why I got a couple extra. The weather report for you, if you are a Ghostbusters fan, my husband is too, and we have Mr. Stay Puffo. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. It's very bright and reflective too. That's my camera right there. So let's talk about the first store, that is Walgreens. And we're gonna talk about some clearance makeup. So these Revlon Candids, and sorry I didn't photograph the display yesterday, I kind of forgot. So these little Candids, which is a concealer, they are on clearance for $4.99 each. And we have a very wonderful 9 off of 2 digital coupon. So for 2 of them, it's $9.98. Subtracting the 9 off of 2 digital, you're paying 98 cents plus the tax, and then you're gonna get back a $5 register reward. So it makes this free plus a $4.02 money maker. Hey guys, so on hubby's store card, I had a spend 20, get back 5. So this is what I did. I got 4 of these double packs of the Air Effect, so 2 in Linen Sky and 2 in Gain. So 4 of them all together. So at $4.99 a pop, guys, that is $19.96. Guess what? I'm short. So I grabbed this chintzy little candy at checkout for 39 cents. All of that now is $20.35 for the 4 sprays and 1 candy. Now, my booster is loaded, which is spend 20, get back 5. And then I had 1 digital coupon, which was $1 off a FEBREZE product. And then I had 2 from the October P&G. And I only used 2 because this store that I visited today is super strict, run by Hitler himself, so don't mess around with anything. They read every coupon, you know, they put their glasses at their nose and read everything and put the coupons up to the light to make sure that they're legit. So I wasn't gonna press my luck, so I just used 2 coupons. And then I also used 2 $5 register rewards from the Revlon deal that I was doing yesterday. So another $10 came off. So I had $3 in FEBREZE and then 2 $5 coupons from the Revlon deals in the last couple of days. Now, because the Revlon is a manufacturer register reward. Yes, you can use more than one as long as you have a space in the line of the receipt. So if you look, guys, I have 5 items, but only 3 coupons. So in that line, if the cashier is scanning every single item, there are 2 free lines. Thus, 2 register rewards can scan, no problems, no issues. Hopefully that makes sense. So another $10 came off with those 2 register rewards. I paid $7.35 with my debit card. Because I'm using a spend booster, I must use my debit card for the balance. And then I got back a $6 register reward for this deal. Buy 4, get back a 6, plus $5 of Walgreens cash for the booster. So what a great little deal, and it worked out perfectly for me. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, so let's talk about Rite Aid. I have 9 of these Pantenes, just a whole bunch of different flavors. I don't know if you guys call them scents or flavors, but I was saying this in the last many videos that I just don't have any shampoo in my stockpile. So this is a deal that I was absolutely going to do because there's a 5 off of 3 in the October P&G. Plus, we had a digital as well that I could utilize both. So for the Pantene this week, it is to buy 30, get back $10 in bonus cash. So I grabbed 9 of them at $4 a pop. That is 36 bucks. I used 2 5 off of 3s from the October P&G, subtracting 10, plus the 1 5 off of 3 load to card. And then I rolled $21 of bonus cash and got back 10. Now today, I just ran out of time. I have to go back to the store and do this deal one more time, where I'm gonna grab 6 more for exactly 24. The day before I grabbed $36, so 36 plus 24 is 60 bucks. So I will meet that cap to get my second round of bonus cash. So 24 bucks, I would use 2 5 off of 3s from the October P&G. I would pay 14 out of pocket or roll some bonus cash and then get back 10. So it makes this Pantene a really good deal. I'll show you guys the quick type out here. It's a 2-day little jobby because you have to, roll your bonus cash from one day to the next unless you have $6,000 worth of bonus cash. But what a great little deal. So over at Walmart, we have these little 32 counts of these Rubbermaids tag-alongs. So they are $4 each, and so I grabbed 6, which is 24, and I used a $25 IBOTTA gift card and just paid the balance of the tax. I think that's the way to do it with these sort of items. And like I said, I want to use this as a base for a Christmas gift. Put that on the bottom and put stuff on the top. I just thought that would look really cool. And this is what is in fact included. I made a video this morning on how to look on BrickSeek to find this stuff at your store and look at the pricing. Check out that video, it has all the details. But these are the little containers. I think they're quite sizable. People were just very critical on TikTok about this, and I'm like, why are you so critical? These are the little, it's this teal color too, so, it's sturdy plastic. And then we have this one, I think this is like 1 or 2 cups. It's a smaller size. 1.26 cups. So you could, just little leftovers. And then this is what I'm most excited about is these little trays for food. If you're food prepping, they come with lids. I think it's pretty sizable for a nice lunch if you're bringing this to work, and all of the lids included. So this one I'm definitely going to use. And the plastic is pretty sturdy. Well, it's Rubbermaid, so of course it's going to be good. So definitely I would look for this in the next little bit. This is coded as fall, so I think this was back to school, back to work, that sort of stuff. and they are going to be dropping in various markets in the next couple of weeks because it was tagged like fall 21. I saw that. So anyhow, good luck with that, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!